Good morning, Miss.
Good morning to Miss.
Okay, so we will start the evaluation. I will ask from the little step for Monday. Yeah, you have twice, right, in in a
Yes.
week, right? Okay. So what did you teach for Monday?
For Monday, in this week we learn about unit 9. What do plants need to grow? So there is a keyword. They are the keyword seed, soil, sun,
Seed.
air, and water.
Is there a seed?
That's no seed.
You didn't put seed.
Sun, air, sun.
How many
air,
keywords?
Water. There are five.
Five.
Sun, water, air. Soil, and then one more. Only that I think.
Next.
And then I will open the application that is about the story. There is for the opening. There's a video how the plant grow up, and then how to plant a seed. That is about the video, right? And then we see a kind of plant. There is a tree, flower, and
I mean, for the CP questions.
for this.
What was the CP question for Monday?
The CPQ question for Monday. What do plant need to grow? The plant needs water, soil, air, and sun. And then the second, how many daffodils in the story? There are 10 daffodils in the story.
The next little step.
For Tuesday, we still learn about what plant, what.
The topic is still same. You
Yeah,
mean?
the topic is still same. So the question about
The keyword different, right?
the
keyword
is different. That is like so. Yes. They are seed, soap, dig. That's not it. They are seed, shovel, and then there are 4 too, right? There are 6. Daffodil, and next daffodil already 3, yes. What else again? And then
Okay, for the CP questions, what does that mean?
for the specific question, what we need to plant a seed. We need seed, shovel, water, and soil.
There are 2, right? The CP question.
Yes. One more. The CPQ question. The CPQ squad. One more. Yes. That is about. I forget.
Forget one more.
Yes.
Okay. For rainbow science.
Rainbow science. In this week we have review units. That is about unit animals, and we need to review the GPQ question from 3 weeks. The GPQ about what animals. Can you mention the animals on the land? Yes, I can. They are horse, elephant, giraffe, cat, dog. And then what what animals you can find in the garden. There are butterfly, bee, ladybug. And then the typical question for next week again, what animals can fly and has colorful wings? Butterfly can fly and has colorful wings. The next question, what animals can swim and has fins? Fish can swim and has fins. For the next week again, the question are, there are two questions. What animals lay eggs? Bird and turtle lay eggs. And then one more. Oh, what animals can be our pets? Cat, fish, dog, bird can be our pets.
Okay, rainbow mat, Miss?
About rainbow mat. A rainbow mat for this week we learn about plant. So we count the flower. The typical question, what number comes from 10 and 5? 15 comes from 10 and 5. Next, what else? How many color pencils are there on the table? There are 14 color pencils.
Okay, I see there is a story also about Peter and Jane's rabbits, right? What is it about?
Peter and Jane
Yeah,
rabbits.
yeah.
Yes, that is about Peter and Jane go to their friend's house. They are Will. Their friend's name is Will. Will has pets. The pet is rabbit. There are 2 rabbits. So they in Will's house they play with the rabbit, and it is so fun to play with the rabbit. Peter and Jane were happy to play with the rabbit when they were in Will's house. And then after that they go home and talk to their parents, mommy and dad, and they told about the rabbits to their parents. They are very like to the rabbit. They asked to the parents to buy the rabbits become their pet. And then mommy and daddy agreed to them and bring them to the pet shop. They prepare all of things for the rabbit, and then they buy the home, they buy the toys for the rabbit. They want to make like a farm in their house.
Okay. Untuk ASP Science?
ASP Science untuk minggu ini kita review pelajaran tentang alat komunikasi. Ya. Sebenarnya ada 3 review ya Miss ya, ASP Science, ASP Matematika, dan ASP Bahasa. Jadi kita satukan karena itu berhubung sekaligus, jadi hanya satu special activity. Jadi special activity-nya kita letakkan di ASP Science, yaitu menebak alat komunikasi. Jadi untuk melakukan special activity, kita membagi siswa menjadi 2 kelompok, dan kita sudah menyiapkan gambar-gambar alat komunikasi seperti radio, televisi, surat kabar, telepon, dan ada 5 ya. Dan meletakkannya di atas meja, lalu memberikan pertanyaan kepada siswa, siapa yang bisa menjawab duluan, grup itulah pemenangnya, dan poin yang paling banyak grup itulah pemenangnya.
Jadi apa yang mereka dapatkan setelah melakukan aktivitas ini.
Ya, jadi mereka mendapatkan bahwa siswa memahami benar-benar ciri-ciri alat komunikasi dan fungsinya. Karena di dalam pertanyaan kita akan menanyakan seperti apakah aku bisa digunakan untuk seperti menonton, mendengarkan cerita, apakah alat komunikasi apakah aku, mereka akan pilih. Nah, siapa yang bisa menebaknya, dari situ kita akan melihat bahwa mereka memahami alat komunikasi yang disebutkan dan kriteria alat komunikasi tersebut.
Oke. Ini saya lihat ada mereview CP question sebelum melakukan special activity ya.
Iya, betul, Miss.
Boleh Miss sebutkan 1 atau 2?
CP question untuk sains ya, Miss ya. Untuk sains, alat komunikasi manakah yang lebih berat? Televisi atau telepon? Alat komunikasi yang lebih berat adalah televisi. Yang kedua, sains, apakah fungsi radio untuk mendengarkan berita, mendengarkan cerita dan lagu-lagu?
Oke. Untuk ASP bahasa, CP questionnya apa, Miss?
Untuk ASP bahasa, CP questionnya apakah kegunaan koran untuk membaca cerita, untuk membaca berita, membaca cerita dan berbagai informasi lainnya. Yang kedua, CPK questionnya sebutkan alat komunikasi yang berawal dari suku kata TET. Alat komunikasi yang berawal suku TET yaitu televisi dan telepon.
Alright. I think that's all for the evaluation today, Miss. I have made the result here. For little step, you forget some of the keywords for Monday and Tuesday. For the CP question, one of the questions you forgot also. For Rainbow Science, you could remember and explain the reviewing CP question and the special activity for the ISP Science also. For others like ISP Bahasa, Reading English, Rainbow Math, you could explain them also. So you pass, but with still enough result.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you.